Yeah, manners and respect to the people them. Don't know. I press. See, I and I name. You know, I'm there and I was a reasoning within myself. And this way Foota on the network, yeah, and some other people and things when it come to the incident where happened with the artist and the podcaster. So you know, so now that Jamaican in the streets, and all that above when it come to a certain road that things have code. So we go out as a yardie and you see we step in our venue and we step straight to the washroom. Is that they really want peace. And if an outdoor activity, we have a peace outside. But one of the main reasons when you see we step in our venue and we step straight to the washroom, so we have a dress up, we have a fix up. You see what I say? Yeah. So we pass checkpoint, reach in, so we have a fix up. So you see, the G probably enter the venue and the venue have all the VIP entrances, artists and celebrities and so. You know that thing. Otherwise some regular patron. So you see another part of some more time you enter them parties, like so open because all run is around. You can't see anybody forward in from which part you're standing in there. Because you must have standing in, you see me say in a VIP. So more time you can see what come through the gate door, there's a clear up and the thing around smooth around the side there. So I easy thing for the man them set the G, him step in and then so roots and step there. Even though himself too, so which part him I go, him more liable to see them too. Cause of the crowd, I saw them stay for them style. So yeah, him travel that way there. Cause when I listen to the news, I say, yeah, now all of them talk about them James Bond, John Wick, Jackie Chan, Bruce Lee, we know the code, man. So, a whole heap of things are going with it. And I don't even want to say nothing too tough, because you don't know. We're not there to solve no case or none, but as I in the streets, you know what I say, you need to check the facts, man. Because the youths nowadays, them have a microchip brain and some different type of growth, but they don't have nothing in them head. You see what I say? So, when the member good now, man, especially the big ones, them, man, 90s, 80s, 70s, arm tone, wake